Are you in search of that one opportunity that's going to make you millions without having to invest any startup capital into it? Are you in search of those free affiliate marketing programs which you can earn without having to invest anything into it, including your hard-earned money? I'm here to tell you that mentality is the wrong one to have. Let me share a story with you that I believe you can gain a lot of insights from. When I got started with affiliate marketing back when I was a college dropout, when I had decided to drop out of college in pursuit of being an internet marketer, in pursuit of an online entrepreneurship, I was left with feeling uncomfortable. I saw this great opportunity right in front of my eyes. And by the time I watched the video sales letter reach its end, I saw the price for the opportunity that I got involved with at the time. And even though it was more than what I could muster, all I could think about was, how important is this to me? If this jump started my journey into affiliate marketing and helped change my life, would it be worth the decision that I make today at that moment in time? And so what I did was I decided to sign up. I paid, even if it costed me going a negative balance in my bank account, but I wanted this really badly. And I knew money was coming in the next week when I got paid at the time when I was working. And so I decided to get started right then and there. As I dived into the affiliate marketing courses that were in this business opportunity that I was a part of, I started seeing the potential, the possibilities that were right in front of me. The only obstacle I was facing is I didn't have much money coming in. When I was presented the opportunity to level up and get positioned, I wasn't able to afford it at the time. And it pained me because I really wanted to go for it. But the problem was it was going to cost me about a few $1,000s. And I didn't exactly have a few thousand sitting somewhere in my bank account, or it was with any of my family members. So what I did was, even though I couldn't afford it at the time, what I did was I just continued on with my learning. I continued doing what I could at the time. I even attended the coaching calls that were going on every Monday when that was going on at the time. And as I dived deeper into my journey over the years, I started realizing how important it is to invest into yourself, to invest into your business. And from what I can tell you from generating the results I have generated, I've been able to generate leads, even been able to make a few sales along my journey, and I'm still on track to doing that to this day. I realized looking back, I couldn't have done all of that unless I invested into the business, unless I invested into myself. Now, you might be sitting there thinking that you can find a free affiliate marketing program that will work out just as effective, if not better, than what a lot of people already got going for them. But I'm here to tell you that those free marketing courses, those free affiliate marketing programs that you're looking for, it doesn't exist. It's not there. And if you keep searching for that free affiliate marketing program that you think is going to be the answer to all your problems, I'm here to tell you it's not going to happen. Now, I'm not saying achieving affiliate marketing success isn't possible, but I'm here to tell you that in order to be successful in this industry, you need to be willing to invest into your intellectual capital, invest your time, as well as invest into your long-term future. Write that down. Invest into your long-term future. Don't look at this business as an expense. Because why are people conditioned this way? When we were growing up, when it came to doing anything that involved money, the first question that we would ask is, how much does it cost? And when we are told the price, if it's out of our expectations or out of our budget, then we back off and we say to ourselves automatically that we can't afford it. As an entrepreneur, we got to change that mindset of looking at something as an expense and change that into an investment. Now, for those affiliate marketing programs that are out there right now, there are some bad ones out there, but there are also some really good ones that can absolutely help you get started in figuring out this industry so that it can work for you. But in order to be successful in affiliate marketing, you need to be willing to invest into those programs. Now, that might be a big mindset change for you, but I don't want you to look at whatever the price tag is. I don't want you to get overwhelmed and look at it as an expense and tell yourself that you can't afford it. I want you to look at it as an investment into your long-term future, because that's what it really is. It's an investment into your long-term future. If all this did was help you finally get unstuck and achieving your goals, accomplishing your dreams that you've been spending a long time materializing, if this was part of the answer to figuring out that equation that you've been stuck on solving, would it be worth whatever amount of money that you invest into it? I'd make the point that it's totally priceless. So I want you to look at not things as an expense, but as an investment. When you're getting started with affiliate marketing, expect that you're going to have to invest some financial capital up front. Now, it doesn't need to be that of a college degree, like you would pay for it, but it's going to be involving some financial investment. There is no program out there that you can be successful with that's going to give you what you want without investing something into it. Think of it like going to college, for example. Now, a lot of us are aware that in order to get the diploma when you go to college, you have to pay for the tuition, you have to take the necessary classes in order to get the credentials and in order to walk on the stage and get the diploma. No, you see nobody going onto a college campus and asking someone in the admissions office for the diploma without paying for the tuition or taking the classes. So why can't we treat affiliate marketing the same way? If you want to be successful in this industry, you not only got to be willing to invest financially, but you also got to be willing to invest your time and your intellectual capital, as well as getting uncomfortable in taking action. And you got to be consistent with it for a long while before you really start to see any results happening. Otherwise, if you're looking to generate results in the next 15, 30 days, 60, 90 days, I'm here to tell you that it's not quite going to happen. For you, it could take longer than that time period, but it's not impossible to be successful in this industry. But in order to start taking that first step, you need to change that mindset of looking at it as an expense and instead look at it as an investment to your long-term future. Because while everybody is involved in this industry, if their main reason is money, I mean, everybody needs that, but everybody's reasoning is different for why they want to be earning more than what they're currently earning. Now, that's the part that you got to figure out on your own time, that you got to clearly define for yourself. So look at it as an investment into your long-term future. Because when you switch that mindset, there's no excuses that's going to derail you from going after what you want, from achieving this long-term success that you know in your heart you deserve. And one day, you're going to look back at this and say to yourself, I'm really happy that I took my chances, even though there was that fear of uncertainty. And imagine how great of a feeling that's going to feel when you reach that point. The sooner that you change that mindset around, the better off you're going to be in the long term.